Their humanitarian project has helped many destitute Serbs. Humanitarnu organizaciju 28. jun organizovala je omladina u Čikagu. Preko njihovog projekta Srpske zemlje, srpski rod, za godinu dana su pomogli mnogim Srbima u nevolji. U ime organizacije 28. jun danas će vam govoriti Tara Garić i sa njom zajedno želim da predstavim Filipi. Welcome to Tara Garić, who will introduce the work of June 28 or Filipi. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Thank you. Hello everyone. Firstly, I just wanted to add to what the mayor of Hamilton said. Einstein's wife was Serbian and he in fact stole all his good ideas from her. Thank you. I want to thank the city of Niagara for letting us include our historic Srpska zemlja, srpski rod project here on Vidovdan. And because I don't want to take credit for myself, I will welcome our Toronto coordinator, Tara Garić. Hvala vam.
Today we're here to celebrate the conclusion of a monumental and historic campaign where we achieved what seemed to be the impossible. The organization 28 Milijun has managed to unite Serbian communities across the world and initiate the largest and most comprehensive humanitarian effort organized by the Serbian diaspora. Our project Srpska zemlja, srpski rod spanned over the last 20 months, and by the end of next month, we will have successfully delivered 55 tons of aid to Serbs throughout the Balkans. Just last week, we sent a 40-foot, 11-ton container filled with medical and humanitarian supplies to the clinical center in Niš, and we've just sent another container to Berane, which means that to date, over 1.2 million Serbs have directly benefited from the aid that we've sent, and it's in the value of over $5 million. In June 2012, when we successfully delivered 2 containers to Serbs in Gračanica, and this past February we sent a container to Serbs in Visegrad. But we didn't stop there. A 3rd container is scheduled to arrive in Belgrade this month, where it will be received by the Commission for Refugees and Migration in the Republic of Serbia. They'll then distribute the goods to Serbian medical institutions in northern Kosovo and refugee camps in Serbia, which house refugees of the war in Krajina. Today we celebrate not only the support and aid which we've tangibly donated, but our biggest achievements stem from our ability to engage the entire Serbian diaspora under one umbrella. We have communities that are involved with us in over 30 countries that took part in this initiative. Not only are we the youngest Serbian diaspora organization with the average age of our members being 24 years old, but we are also the most active organization over all social media platforms. We have over 100,000 supporters over Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and our membership spans across 100 cities all over the globe. Through various social and philanthropical events like bake sales, performances, dinner galas, our members have hosted hundreds of events in Sydney, Toronto, London, Chicago, and many other communities. In addition to raising awareness and funds through these events, we've also received support of the Serbian Orthodox Church, as well as numerous Serbian athletes, celebrities, singers, and businesses. On behalf of 28 Milijun, we want to thank everyone who contributed to this campaign and who believed in our cause, even when some told us we were too young and naive and inexperienced to achieve anything. We've shown the world that there are hundreds of thousands of us who do care and who will stand as a collective voice to support those less fortunate than us. In the words of Vuk Karadžić, ako svako uradi onoliko koliko je sposoban, neće narod propasti. Hvala vam.